Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Suminoe Park. Suminoe Park is a large public park in Suminoe Ward, Osaka. It is loved by both local people and visitors. The park has a big green lawn, playground for children, tennis courts, and basket field. There are walking paths and a pond where you can enjoy nature in every season. You can also find a small Japanese garden inside the park, which is a good place to relax. Suminoe Park is also a center for the sport of the recreation. Many events and games are held here. In spring, cherry blossoms bloom and many people come from the flower viewing. In autumn, the leaves turn red and yellow and the park becomes very beautiful. Recently, the park is also known as a disaster prevention area. It has facilities. It has facilities that can be used as an evacuation site in the emergencies. The park is easy to reach because it's next to Suminoe Koen Station on the Osaka Metro Yotsubashi line. Suminoe Park is a nice place to enjoy nature, sports, and changing seasons, even in the busy city. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.